know. I love drinking wine before sleep. Sometimes flavored beer. Because sometimes it's so hard to sleep. Especially when I'm stressed, tired, thinking of something. It's so hard to sleep. So when I'm a little bit busy, it's so nice to sleep. Yes. Mahusay. Yes, okay. Mahusay. Binubula mo lang ako eh. Bula-bula mo eh. Saway ka. Antok ko. Nalasing pa yung itsura ko. I'm so haggard. Look at my face. Mm, so good. So good. Delicious, amigo. Langga! Wala man ka mag-reply sa Shashi World. I'm busy! My God, hindi na mamanage ng aking schedule. I'm super busy. I have page, I have Instagram, I have 8 YouTube, I have Churrot and everything. I can't manage it anymore. So I can't reply the messages there, the comment there. Hindi nga ako magkahugas ng bilat ko sa kabisi. Ay! Mag-upload raman ko dito